Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can rearrange your home screen in iPhone 15 Pro. So if you want to add any widget to your home screen, just hold the finger on the place on the screen and now click on the plus. There you have all of the widgets, so just choose your desired one, like Google Chrome, tap on it and select the widget from the application. Now just hold the finger on it and swipe to the app or just tap on the Add widget. Now choose the place on the home screen and click Done. We have a new widget. You can also tap on hold the finger on it to edit it, like change the position, and of course you can remove that by this little icon. If you want to make any folder, just hold the finger on any app and drop onto another. We have a new folder, so we can change the name of it. If you want to remove the folder, just hold the finger on it and choose Remove Folder, remove from home screen, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.